Welcome to my channel once again. The present video is about two very popular and familiar exotic flowering trees grown in India, namely Gulmohur and Neelmohur. In the current season, both the species are blooming with bright flowers of different shades, displaying a glorious look. At the outset of my talk, let me speak on Gulmohur tree, which is also known as flame tree, royal poinciana, and flamboyant. Botanical name is Delonix regia. It is rated by some people as one of the most beautiful of all flowering trees. It is a middle-sized deciduous tree with a spreading crown of thin, feathery leaves. It is native to Madagascar. It was first discovered in Madagascar around 1828. Initially, it was cultivated in Mauritius and later on spread to other parts of the world. As per earliest record, it was cultivated in India around 1840 at Sevri near Mumbai. It is the national flower of Saint Kitts and Nevis. Flowering starts in April, peaking in early May, and is over by June. Orange, bright red, maroon colored, attractive flowers are produced in loose terminal clusters as shown in the video. The fruit is long, flat, woody pods containing small seeds. The fruit pods persist till April. You can see some seed pods formed from last year flowering in this video. It is one of the most widely cultivated flowering trees in tropical and subtropical climate worldwide. That is why, even though it disappeared in wild in its original home, Madagascar, it has been assessed as least concern in IUCN list. It is a fast-growing tree with superficial root system and brittle branches. So, the tree is not wind firm and hence often gets damaged and uprooted in storm. Moreover, the tree is susceptible to decay by fungi. This tree also orients itself towards light source due to phototropic response, shifting the center of gravity from the root zone. Therefore, it is not an ideal tree to plant along roadside to avoid accident. Its surface roots also monopolize all nutrients and water, and hence it does not allow other plants to grow under its canopy. It prefers warm climate, open sunlight, and well-drained sandy and loamy soils. It is commonly propagated through seeds and also by semi-wood cuttings. Seed has a hard testa, hence needs to be scarified. Seeds are soaked for 24 hours in warm water before sowing. There is one naturally occurring variety called Radhasura, Delonix regia variety flavida, which produces yellow flowers. This rarer variety is usually propagated through cuttings to obtain true-to-type plants. In folk medicine, this plant is used to treat ailments like constipation, inflammation, diabetes, etc. Now coming to the next tree, Neelmohur, which is also known as Jacaranda, blue Jacaranda, green ebony, Brazilian rosewood, black poi, etc. It is a moderate-sized deciduous tree with fan-like feathery leaves with an open crown. It is native to northwestern Argentina and southern Bolivia. It was first introduced to India in Kolkata Botanical Garden in 1841. In its native range, the tree is threatened in wild and hence assessed as vulnerable in IUCN list. During its flowering period from March to May, the tree becomes very attractive with clusters of showy purple, blue or lavender colored bell-shaped flowers that appear along with pale green young leaves. It has got cosmopolitan distribution and is widely cultivated in warm regions of the world. Pretoria, the capital of South Africa, is called Jacaranda city as large number of jacaranda trees turn the city blue and purple in spring season. In some countries, this tree symbolizes wisdom and hence planted in school and university campuses. The species is usually propagated through seeds and can be also propagated by soft-tooth cuttings and grafting methods. The tree produces round, flat, woody fruits that ripen between June and November. When ripe, the fruit separates into halves, releasing the winged seeds. Before sowing, the seeds are soaked in water for 24 hours. Sprouting of seeds takes place within 2 to 8 weeks. The species prefers well-drained, moderately sandy soils with light acidic pH and open sunlight. Indoor, it will not flower and also not good for long-term container planting. It is also not suitable in places with frequent freezing temperature. It is a good choice for larger outdoor areas and suitable for street and garden planting. Due to its vigorous and spreading root system, it is not suitable for small backyard. One should avoid planting of this tree near drains, pipes, swimming pools, driveways, patios, etc. Its flowers are also sticky and shed heavily, causing a mess. The flowers also attract bees. Even though the tree is moderately resistant to drought, it requires consistent moisture throughout the year, with additional watering during drought period. Annually, once application of a balanced fertilizer is required. Too much nitrogenous fertilizer application will affect flowering. To get attractive umbrella-shaped crown, the new vertically growing stems should be pruned, particularly when the tree is young. There are three varieties. One is Jacaranda mimosifolia variety alba, which produces white bloom. Another one is Jacaranda mimosifolia bonsai blue, a dwarf variety that produces lilac to dark purple blooms. Then third one is Jacaranda jasminoides, a dwarf variety with maroon color flowers. Its wood has attractive grain, relatively soft but not free. Used for cabinet, small furniture, tool handles, etc. Its bark and leaves have also medicinal properties. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video.